And we're live. Yeah, I'll give him a little bit. I'll get him in because need to spend enough time out there. You got a comforter or something I can cover up with? It's not fuzzy. We're getting that bed stuff changed out. Cleaning my room out today. I think I will clean this bong out eventually and maybe autograph it or something. If somebody wants it. They don't. It wasn't that expensive of one. I mean, I spent some money on it, so I definitely wouldn't be asking. Probably just ask for something like, $40 or something. Let me see it. That'll be big enough for me to make it through the night until we do the stuff we're gonna do tomorrow. Huh? Yeah, I was about to. Yeah, I mean, I'm not talking to anybody or engaging with them or talking to them about my stuff. No. I think it will be the way I sleep and stuff. I don't need the heater out, but I'm just not gonna need the air on tonight either. It's a little cool. Yeah. Now you guys know, y'all went with the death rattle thing again, and all that was, I was up from 3 to about 9, and then I had to take Brownie to the vet, and I came home, still hadn't been asleep all night, ate lunch, and then my mistake was going live again. I didn't anticipate that sleep would be coming up soon. So yeah, my snoring is grotesque because I need a sleep study done, obviously. I may have some, judging by the symptoms already, I've been recommended that, so I'll get that done when I can. Till then, please accept my apology for that mishap. And we know that just because we can't sleep, we don't go live no more. Of course, I thought I'd had that done already. I wasn't going to go live if I got sleepy. Well, I need to also keep in mind just because I ain't sleepy don't mean I need to go live either. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. I didn't fall asleep on 2 streams in one day, Square. Well, I may have on another day. It wasn't the day. Yeah, like I said, I'm not smoking anymore. I'm completely done smoking. You won't ever hear a video or anything of me like doing a rip or nothing because I've gotten rid of it. I mean, I still have, technically I still have some like paraphernalia and stuff laying around, but other than that, I got rid of it. I'm not buying anymore. You know, It is what it is. But I think I'm going to continue this live stream, taking a late night walk. I'll talk to you guys on the mobile live.